Little, little surprise with me today. So beautiful. Look, baby, you were sleeping. Little present. Baby, you're sleeping. Baby, you have a family. You're not alone anymore. I'm gonna love you, Christine. My two little babies, so beautiful. Let's see. Hello, Christine. Let's look her boyfriend. Boyfriend. Hello, Christine. Beautiful. Gonna buy a big cake for you guys. And look what you guys doing. Swimming pool. Everything. You guys are rich. Ina gonna buy Armando. Welcome to the family, Christine. I buy Christine today. Christine from Brazil, brasileña. Una tremenda brasileña. I'm gonna pick up Christine very soon. Now you have a friend. I hope you like him. He look crazy. If you don't like him, tell me now. I go send him back. He look upset. I don't know. You guys have time to be friends. All intimate. Hello. Amigos, su familia. My new friend, Christine. She's trying to sleeping. She's from Brazil.